Imagine a structure so vast it could surround an entire star, a giant ring bigger than Jupiter's orbit, or a rotating cylinder housing entire civilizations. These aren't scenes from science fiction movies. These are theoretical megastructures that scientists, astronomers, and futurists believe could exist somewhere in the cosmos. Today, we're going to explore some of the most mind-blowing cosmic constructions ever imagined. Structures that could be built by advanced civilizations, or might even exist right now, hidden among the stars. The Dyson sphere is perhaps the most famous theoretical megastructure ever proposed. First introduced in 1960 by physicist Freeman Dyson, it describes a massive shell, or more realistically, a swarm of satellites, designed to surround a star and capture nearly all of its energy. To understand its importance, consider this. Our sun releases more energy every second than humanity has consumed throughout its entire history. A civilization capable of harnessing this power would have no need for fossil fuels, nuclear reactors, or limited planetary resources. Entire planets could be powered effortlessly. Gigantic starships could travel between stars. Interstellar civilizations could thrive for millions of years. But the scale of construction is almost unimaginable. Building a Dyson sphere could require dismantling entire planets just to gather enough raw material. Scientists classify such civilizations as Type 2 civilizations on the Kardashev scale, beings that have mastered the energy output of their star. This leads to an eerie question. Could some of the stars we observe today already be surrounded by such colossal alien structures? If a Dyson sphere sounds extreme, the ring world pushes the idea even further. Popularized by science fiction author Larry Niven, a ring world is a gigantic ring encircling a star with a habitable inner surface. Instead of living on a planet, life exists on the inside of the ring itself. The structure spins to create artificial gravity, allowing oceans, cities, and ecosystems to exist just like on Earth. With a radius similar to the distance between Earth and the Sun, a single ring world could support billions, even trillions, of inhabitants. In such a future, planets may become optional. Civilizations could construct artificial worlds, creating living space far greater than any natural planet. Moving closer to what might actually be achievable, we come to O'Neill cylinders. Proposed by physicist Gerard K. O'Neill, these rotating space habitats use centrifugal force to simulate gravity. Each cylinder could be several kilometers long, housing cities, farmland, forests, rivers, and self-sustaining ecosystems. Large windows would allow sunlight to flood inside, creating natural day-night cycles. Unlike Dyson spheres or ring worlds, O'Neill cylinders could realistically be built using materials mined from asteroids or the moon. Many scientists believe these structures could become humanity's first permanent homes in space, marking the transition from a planetary species to a spacefaring civilization. Now imagine a cable stretching tens of thousands of kilometers from Earth into space. This is the idea behind the space elevator. Instead of launching rockets, cargo and people could travel into orbit using a mechanical lift. This would dramatically reduce the cost, danger, and energy required for space travel. Using ultra-strong materials such as carbon nanotubes or future advanced composites, space elevators could make access to space routine. Some experts believe humanity's first true megastructure won't orbit a distant star. It will begin right here on Earth. Now let's get truly mind-bending. The Shkadov thruster is a theoretical megastructure capable of moving an entire star. It works by positioning a massive mirror near the star, reflecting part of its light back toward the surface. This creates a small but constant force. Over millions of years, that force could slowly push an entire star system through the galaxy. Why attempt something so extreme? To escape dangerous regions of space, to migrate towards safer or resource-rich areas, or simply as proof of a civilization so advanced it can manipulate stars themselves. The idea challenges everything we think we know about the limits of technology. One of the most intriguing real-world mysteries connected to megastructures is Tabby's star, officially known as KIC 8462852. Its brightness dims in strange, irregular patterns, sometimes by as much as 22%, without a clear natural explanation. While most scientists believe dust clouds are responsible, others have proposed a far more fascinating possibility: alien megastructures, possibly a Dyson swarm, partially blocking the star's light. Even if the explanation is natural, the fact that such ideas are seriously discussed shows how far our curiosity has reached. So why do megastructures fascinate us so deeply? Because they represent the ultimate what if. They combine unimaginable scale, extreme engineering, and advanced intelligence into a single vision. They force us to ask questions that define our future. Are we alone in the universe? Will humanity one day build worlds among the stars? The universe is unimaginably vast, and somewhere among billions of stars, incredible constructions may already exist. Dyson spheres harvesting stellar energy, ring worlds filled with life, or even stars slowly drifting through space under artificial control. Whether these megastructures exist or not, the ideas themselves expand our imagination. They inspire curiosity, innovation, and wonder, and remind us that the cosmos is still full of mysteries waiting to be discovered.